Hello everyone. Today we would like to talk about our SandJet marking systems. In recent years, the demand for glass marking has grown considerably. This is also due to stringent international regulations regarding glass for the construction sector. Glass marking is often an obligation, but it is also an important opportunity to identify your products, their characteristics, and to give visibility to your brand and that of your customers. For this reason, we have designed products that enable to mark the glass quickly, economically, and permanently. In this video, we want to present our portable marking units of the Marker T line. The available models are Marker 101T and Marker 301T, which only differ for the maximum dimension of the marking area, which is 25 mm and 30 mm respectively. The marking operation consists of jet of aluminum oxide, which is sprayed through a stencil made of highly abrasion-resistant stainless steel, in which we engrave the desired logo, code, or lettering. Adjust the timer to the desired duration of the sand flow. Switch on the device, which is simply connected to a power supply and a compressor. The sand jet will last for the time set on the timer and then stop automatically. Place the marking gun onto the glass surface and operate the lever to start the sand jet. As you can see, the mark is of excellent quality, sharpness, and it is totally permanent. Safety, tempered, laminated, fire-resistant glass are just some of the types that can be marked with our systems. Visit our website to find out more.